France, officially known as the French Republic, is a country located in Western Europe. It is bordered by several countries, including Belgium, Luxembourg, Germany, Switzerland, Italy, Spain, Andorra, and Monaco. It also has coastlines along the Atlantic Ocean, the English Channel, and the Mediterranean Sea. The capital city of France is Paris, which is one of the most famous cities in the world. Economy. France has one of the largest economies in the world and is a member of the G7 group of advanced economies. It has a mixed economy with a strong focus on services, manufacturing, and agriculture. Some of the key industries in France include aerospace, automotive, luxury goods, pharmaceuticals, tourism, and telecommunications. The country is also known for its high-quality wine production. France is a prominent global exporter and attracts a significant amount of foreign investment. Education. France has a well-developed education system and is home to several prestigious universities and institutions. The country has a long history of academic excellence and is known for its contributions to various fields, including science, arts, literature, and philosophy. The French education system follows a centralized structure with a strong emphasis on rigorous academic standards. It offers a wide range of educational opportunities, including primary and secondary education, vocational training, and higher education. The country is particularly renowned for its universities, such as the Sorbonne in Paris. History. France has a rich and complex history that spans thousands of years. It has been inhabited since prehistoric times and has seen the rise and fall of various civilizations and empires. One of the most significant periods in French history is the Roman era, when the region was part of the Roman Empire. In the Middle Ages, France saw the emergence of powerful feudal states and the rise of the Capetian dynasty, which eventually led to the establishment of a centralized monarchy. The French Revolution, which took place in the late 18th century, had a profound impact on France and the world. It marked a period of radical political and social change, leading to the end of the monarchy and the establishment of the First French Republic. The revolution had a lasting influence on modern political ideologies and principles. France also experienced periods of imperial expansion, most notably during the Napoleonic era, when Napoleon Bonaparte established a vast French empire. However, France faced defeats and territorial losses in the 19th and early 20th centuries, including the Franco-Prussian War and World War I. During World War II, France was occupied by Nazi Germany from 1940 to 1944. The country was eventually liberated by the Allied forces. In the post-war period, France went through a process of rebuilding and experienced significant economic growth, becoming one of the founding members of the European Union. Today, France is known for its rich cultural heritage, including its art, literature, cuisine, and fashion. It attracts millions of tourists each year who come to explore its historical sites, museums, and natural beauty. France also plays a prominent role in international affairs and is a member of numerous global organizations, including the United Nations and NATO. Thank you for joining me on my YouTube channel. I hope you found the content informative and entertaining. Creating content for this channel has been a passion of mine, and I appreciate all of your support and engagement. I encourage you to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos. If you have any suggestions or feedback, please leave a comment or send me a message. I am always looking for ways to improve and provide more value to my audience. Remember, learning is a lifelong journey, and I hope this channel has inspired you to continue your quest for knowledge. Thank you again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.